everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we're going to be continuing on with our stock screener. So, alright, let's just go ahead and get after it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So last video, actually I guess 2 videos ago, we talked about which API we're going to be using, and we're going to be using the instruments for multiple tickers, but today we're just going to be doing one right now, because what we're going to be focused on today is the actual response, because we need to start unpacking that. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. We do one video at a time, and we build upon it. So here is our dilemma symbol. Actually, we'll leave that. So, all right, here is our key right here. Here's our address, and this is how it works. So we're just going to do our payload. Then here's our dictionary that we're going to be passing in. So our API key, and then it's our Ameritrade, and then come down, then our symbol, and we're just going to pass it, let's pass it Google. Let's see, did I do that right? Is that Google symbol? Yeah. All right. And then how do we want it? What kind of information we wanted? And I said we were going to load the projection. We want that to be the fundamental. All right. All right. So we're done with this. So now. Results, and I just realized I have left out, because we have left out a ton right here. So import requests. All right, and that's all we need right now. Yep, requests. So then requests dot get. Then what are we going to use? We're going to use our, this is where we're going, and what are our params? And we're going to pass it payload. All right, so let's just hit this up. All right, so now we need to really look at, because we haven't really delved into what in the world comes back and ways in which to look at it. So here's our response. So let's look at dir on results. Okay, so what we're going to be looking at today is a JSON object, and this is how we're going to begin to unpack this. So you can, we can see results, then dot text. Okay, so that's that. So here it is as a string. Okay, then that's okay. So then I got to go in and get stuff, or I can turn this into So now I just get the whole object. So now I use a JSON, I pull the JSON object out, and I can go through and I know how to unpack this dictionary right here. So I have a dictionary, then a dictionary inside that, and then here we go with the symbols. So, and all of the information, 52-week high, 52-week low, PE ratio, PEG ratio, which is, I am a huge believer in the PEG ratio, and we'll break down the ones that I truly believe. But there we go. this is the building block of where we're going to go from here, and we're going to add all of the things that we've done before, especially our loop of how to handle 500. I can't remember if we're doing that one next or if we're doing no, next video we're going to be handling something very interesting. It's going to become handy, but we'll do that later. So there we go, guys. Please, please, please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're joining that Discord server. If you're brand new here, I don't want you feeling alone. Somebody's on over there at all times. I have an admin and a moderator. We are literally around the globe. So join up there. Somebody's always on answering questions. So thank you very much for all of the growth, all the support, all the kind words. Just want to tell you guys thank you very much. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you're checking these out at the end. Like button, subscribe, notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.